So let's chat about our new consultant AMP Jumpstart program. So this is for new consultants in their first 90 days. AMP stands for All My Perks. So we are going to AMP Jumpstart you as a new consultant. So just going to go over the program with you and explain how it works. So you will be able to earn rewards in your first 90 days as a consultant in 3 different ways: by selling, by sponsoring, and promoting. So you can earn free products for selling in your first 30 days and in your first 90 days as a consultant. So I've got a little flyer here just to share with you. So as a new consultant in your first 30 days, if you submit $300, then you are going to earn an office desk organizer for free. Okay, if you sell $500 in your first 30 days, so not only are you going to earn an around-the-clock thermal for free, but you're also going to earn 2 months of a free website subscription. If you know that you are partying online, this is definitely going to be the way to go, because you'll get that website for free. So you'll be able to create party links and share those shopping links with your friends and your family and your hostesses. So this is truly gold, okay? And then in your first 90 days as a consultant, if you submit $1,000, you'll earn the Everyday Essentials tote. If you submit $2,000 in your first 90 days, you'll earn a Cindy tote. $3,000, you'll earn the Journey backpack, and $4,000, you will earn the Ultimate Trunk Organizer. So it is so important when you enroll as a consultant that you get going right away. So I encourage you, if you are considering joining 31, go ahead and line up your first parties and you will be ready to go from the very beginning, okay? The second way that you can earn in the AMP Jumpstart program in your first 90 days is by sponsoring. So what we call someone who personally enrolls under you and they qualify, which means that person puts in their first $1,000, then that person's considered a 𝗶𝐃𝐲 under you. So you personally enrolled them. Now they're qualified with their first $1,000 in sales, and they are an active consultant. They become a 𝗶𝐃𝐲 under you, and then you will earn a $50 𝗶𝐃𝐲 product credit to spend on business supplies or anything that you want. You'll just have a free $50 to spend on a business supply order when that new consultant qualifies in their first 90 days as a consultant. And then you also, the third way, am able to earn by promoting. So when you promote to a new level with 31. So sponsoring and promoting go hand in hand. If you promote an elite consultant in your first 90 days as a consultant, you'll earn a $200 promotion product credit. So in order to promote to an elite consultant, you must submit $500 in personal volume, have 2 𝗶𝐃𝐲s under you, and have a minimum of $2,000 in team volume. So there are so many ways to earn with our AMP Jumpstart program, and it is wonderful for new consultants who truly start their business off strong. So I am here to help you if you're a new consultant on my team. I'm here to help you earn. And if you're considering joining, I would love to chat with you and see if 31 is going to be a fit for you. I'll link some videos at the end so you can click and check those out. All right. Have a great day. Bye.